Hi, this section will cover the statements and functions required to build iOS applications. Feel free to skip some of these videos if you already know the information, because we'll be covering things that more experienced programmers will know, such as variables, data types, arrays, things like that. So just skip it if you already know this part. So the software we'll be using is called Xcode. You can download it from the App Store. Just type in Xcode in the App Store on your Mac. Just type it in here. Click on this part here and type in Xcode. However, I already have Xcode, so there's no point in me typing it in. And it won't show up in mine because I already downloaded it. So mine's down here. Your Xcode might be a different version to mine. However, it doesn't really matter. Most information will be the same. There are certain requirements, but as long as you have a Mac from around 2011, you should be alright. And a little bit of advice: don't always download the newest update, because sometimes they have bugs in them. So just wait a while before you download the newest version. If you already have it and there's an update, just wait a while before you get the newest version, because many times the new version has bugs in it. So just download it and it shouldn't take too long. Okay, if after Xcode is downloaded, after the Xcode is downloaded, open it up. I'm just gonna open up Xcode. So after you open up, this should come up, and you see these three options. We're not gonna create a new Xcode project just yet. So click on Get Started with a Playground. So click on the first one, and now after you click on that, this will come up. Just click on blank for now. We'll click on blank, ignore the rest, click next, and here you just simply choose the name. I'm just gonna put, you can choose any name, but I'm just gonna put that for now. After you've chosen your name, click create. This is also the location, but it doesn't really matter, you can save it anywhere. So that's created. Now this is what you see. So this is what you should see. If you're wondering why some people have different colors of the Xcode, like some people have a dark color, that's because they changed the color of the background. If you would like to change the color, simply click on Xcode at the top left here, click on Preferences, and then Fonts and Colors, and then this section here. This is where you can change the color. So if you click on this, it goes to dark one, and this one is easier on the eyes. It's much easier on eyes, and it's much more. It's great for working at night. So I'm gonna leave it on dusk for now. You can choose any one you want. So just click on, just cross out if you've chosen the one, and we'll go to the section here. So this section is where you actually type in your code. This section on the right is where the output of the code will be, where you run your code, where the code will be run and you see the output of your code. So just for example, we're just going to write some code, see everything, how it works, to show you guys how it works. So we're just going to put a very simple code in, such as print hello world, and yeah, and after you typed in it, click on run here, click on that, will run it, and what you should see is your output of your code here. So yep, run, so it ran, everything's working, and you also see at the bottom here the output of your code. For now, just you will see the end part here. Ignore that for now, we'll cover it later on. So that's everything for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next video.